Hey guys, welcome to another video with me, your girl Latoya. Today I decided to try this triple afro twist braid in the Marley style, of course, and this is a 3-in-1 value pack hair. So I decided to do a DIY twist tutorial with you guys today. I purchased 2 packs of this hair because I was not sure if 1 pack would be enough, and I paid 2,000 Jamaican dollars per pack. Now for this video, I will be using my tail comb to achieve the look, my little teeny tiny scissors, and I'm also going to be using my ultra gel wax. Now guys, you can use whatever gel or jam that you have, but what works best with your natural hair. As usual, I like to part from ear to ear, just a section of my hair, so I can go in to twist the back portion. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a 3-in-1 value pack, so it has 3 bundles per pack. Now this hair felt a bit coarse, but I thought it was perfect for my natural 4C hair. As you can see, the bundle is relatively long, so I'm just going to go in to cut this bundle into 2. What I also noticed with this hair is that each bundle you can basically take out a portion of the hair that is already separated. So you can just pull out a piece and go in to do the braid pattern to your hair. So as I mentioned earlier, the hair is relatively long, so I'm going to go ahead to cut each piece of the hair into 2. So guys, this is the length of the hair after I cut it into 2, and when I fold it down the middle, it is still long enough to go in to do the twist pattern. So here I'm just showing you how I do the partings. Now I did the brick form of parting, where you have each parting going on top of the box braid itself, so that way the hair falls in between to give your hair a more fluffy look. So the first thing I'm doing is to go in with my ultra gel wax and apply it to the root of my hair. Now I'm going to go in with the braid itself, so I'm going to hold it in the middle, so I have 2 pieces, and then my natural hair will become the 3rd piece. Now what I'm going to do is to do a braid pattern going down, and I'm going to do this as much as possible until I'm satisfied that the hair is secure enough to go in to do the twist pattern. So now I'm going to separate my natural hair into 2, with each piece of my natural hair going with one of the braid. And now I'm just going to twist going downwards to achieve the look. So after completing most of the twist to the back portion of my hair, at first the twist looked fluffy, the length was perfect, and I was really excited to see the final look. However, I started to notice that my natural hair was protruding through the braid itself, and it looked extremely dry. So I applied little moisture to my hair, but I was still not pleased with the outcome. I then decided to give my hair the tight twist, somewhat like a rope twist, but it became the crooked and I didn't like the look. When I do try to twist it as soft as possible, then my natural hair was still protruding through the braid, and I felt so uncomfortable. And so guys, I did the next best thing. I pulled them out. Like guys, I was not having it. I didn't like the look of the hair. This is definitely not a DIY hair for me. I'm not sure if you can do it to your natural hair yourself, but I wasn't feeling comfortable with it. So I will have to go to a hairdresser to get it professionally installed, because I ain't gonna waste my $4,000 just like that. But guys, if it works for you, hit me up in the comment section to let me know. So now I am back to square one. So I'm just going to go in to twist the front of my hair, and I'm going to use these rubber bands to secure the ends. I'm going to use my Ultra Gel Wax to apply it to the root of my hair, and I'm also going to be using my tail comb. So as you can see, I'm parting down the middle of my hair and I'm applying the gel to my scalp, and I'm going to retrace the parted section so it can be neat and tidy as possible. So as you can see, I'm applying the Ultra Gel Wax to the perimeter of the parted section, and then I'm going to go in to do the 2-strand twist going backwards. So as you can see, I'm starting at the very front of the hair, and while I'm doing the 2-strand twist, I'm picking up hair as I go along and just go straight to the back and secure the end of the hair with my rubber band. So now I'm going to gather this portion of my hair up in one. So I'm going to go in with my hairband, and then I'm going to apply my Eco Style gel to just lay my hair down a bit. So guys, I wanted to try the braid one more time, and so I decided to use the braid as a bun. So what I did was to take the pieces that I've cut earlier and placed a rubber band in the middle to secure the hair. Then I'm going to place the rubber band over my bun and then try to style the braid itself. So I went ahead to try style number 1, then style number 2, and style number 3, and it was still an epic failure. So guys, I have to admit, this DIY hair tutorial using the Triple Afro Twist Braid was an epic failure for me. I am definitely going to get my hair professionally done because I can't let this braid go to waste. And as you know, I went ahead to do the next best thing, was to rock my natural hair. And guess what guys, I am truly loving my hairdo. Thanks for tuning in with another video with your girl Latoya. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, thumbs up this video, post your comments and share. I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye.